we were discussing unique places, a sort of unique place in the world. So out of that, I'm going to discuss a place which is in Africa continent, that is called as Kilimanjaro. Actually, in the spelling, some silent letters are there, and you are aware that we have already having one session on this correction of the spellings. So kindly refer that. So we are discussing about the Kilimanjaro. The question, you are aware that what is the unique nature of this Kilimanjaro? The answer is Kilimanjaro is situated near to equator. It is in the tropical zone, and you are aware that in case of tropical zone, average temperature that we are calling as diurnal temperature is usually very high. Now here, in case of atmospheric pressure as well as temperature, you have to remember a figure that is 160 meter, actually 165 meter, but for calculation purpose we are considering it as 160 meter. So every 160 meter altitude you are going high, you will get decrease in pressure by 1 degree Celsius, decrease in temperature by 1 degree Celsius, and decrease in pressure by 1 mm of mercury. If you are observing mercury barometer, then pressure is measured in terms of mm of mercury. So at sea level, and when we are saying it's normal atmospheric pressure, we are calling it as 1 atmospheric pressure. At that time, mercury level is 760 mm or 76 centimeter. So this 760 mm of mercury we are considering as 1 atmospheric pressure. As you are going every 160 meter altitude, the pressure will decrease by 1 mm, as well as temperature will decrease by 1 degree Celsius. This is called as normal lapse rate. But because pressure is decreases, temperature also decreases. This is called as adiabatic cooling, and as a result, some little bit changes in temperature towards lower side. That means actually it should decrease by 1 degree, but it may decrease by 1.1 degree. Like that also can be observed. Now just imagine that average temperature over equator is around 30 degrees Celsius. In order there should be a snowfall on equator, you have to rise at least how many meters? So it is 160 into 30 meter. So because for every 1 degree fall, we have to go 160 meter altitude. So for 30 degree fall, we have to go 160 into 30. So 0, 0, 2, 0, 16 3s are 48. So minimum 4,800 meter we have to climb up, and then you can observe snowfall. And now I am coming to the point, that is what is the peculiarity of Kilimanjaro. We are starting out our journey at desert. It is a mountain, and we are going to summit, that is the topmost point. We have to walk through the snow. So that is the peculiarity of this place, and that's why a snowfall on equator, that is identified as Kilimanjaro, which is in Africa continent.